बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक और नई वीडियो के साथ खुशामदीद। फ्रांस में हाल में होने वाले वाक़े के ऊपर डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक ने अपने रद्द अमल पर एक छोटा सा बयान दिया है। डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक ने पूरी दुनिया के मुसलमानों को बेदार करने की कोशिश की है और कहा है कि पूरी दुनिया के मुसलमान मुत्तहिद होकर फ्रांस की हर प्रोडक्ट का बाइकआउट किया जाए ताकि इनकी मैशियत तबाह हो।
Whether it be France, whether it be other countries, whether it be European countries, however much they hate the Prophet, Allah promises that He will cut them out from all future hope. And we have the example. The moment the French president said that Islam is in crisis all over the world, a few days later, one of the French aid workers by the name of Sophie Petronin, she was released after being taken hostage. In December 2016, some of the jihadists in Mali, where she was working as an aid worker amongst the orphans to remove malnutrition, where she was working in December 2016, she was taken as hostage by some of the Muslim jihadis, and she was kept as a prisoner for 4 years. And recently, she was the last French hostage all over the world who was released by these Mali jihadists. So when she was released just a couple of weeks back, when she came in the plane, the French president himself went to the airport to receive her. And Sophie Petronin, she was kept as a hostage for 4 years. When she came down from the stairs of the plane, the French president, he greeted her. And when she came down, you could see her wearing the scarf. And she said that I am not Sophie, I am Maryam. Alhamdulillah, she had accepted Islam. Imagine when the people tried to find out that did they ill-treat you, how are they, she had kind words for those people who had taken her hostage. And she said that what they are doing is for their freedom. And she respected them so much so that she accepted Islam. And it was a shock.
सोशल ऐप के जरिए डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक ने अपने ऑफिशियल अकाउंट पे इन चीजों का बाइकआउट करने का खास वाज़े पैगाम दिया है। एस मुस्लिम हम सबको भी चाहिए कि अपनी आवाज को बुलंद करें और अपने सोशल अकाउंट पर इस बात को वाजे करें कि हमारे लिए मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जात कितनी मोतबर है और पाकिस्तान हुकूमत को इसके खिलाफ भी एक्शन लेना चाहिए। आप इस पूरी वीडियो के बारे में अपनी क्या राय रखते हैं, कमेंट बार में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। खुश रहें, खुशियां बांटें।